how to install and connect your Liondesk app to your workflows on GHL. So let's get started. You need to connect to your workflow app in GHL plugin. So why in your GHL plugin dashboard, you go to workflow app, and in here you can search for Liondesk. So under the available apps, you can search for Liondesk. It doesn't pop up for me because I've installed that already. So I'm going to under installed apps, I would see that. But for you, you check under available apps. Now, when you get there, you can click on the app. It's going to open a new tab that will let you connect your account or your agency to the app. So this is installing the app to your agency or your sub account. So you're going to select your agency, you're going to allow this, then you proceed. When you proceed with this, the installation has been done completely, and this window, this tab will be closed automatically. So you come back here. Now that the installation has been done, you would need to get connections made on your sub account, any sub account that you want to use this inside your agency. So how do you get this connection done? For those who are installing this for their first time, you need to copy the custom menu link and add it to your agency. Then you add your sub account to that menu link just so your sub account can have access to these apps. Then in that sub account, we are going to connect the app. So how do we get this started? For those who have been using our apps already, who have set up their custom menu links already in their agency and added their sub accounts, you don't need to carry out this step. You just need to proceed by going into your menu link and connecting the app. So you skip this step for now. This step I'm about to demonstrate is for those who are installing the app for the first time. You copy the custom menu link, you go to your agency, you switch to agency view, go to settings, and now in here you go to custom menu link. You click on create new, you select the icon of your menu link you want to create, you put in the title of your menu link, then you paste in the link you copied earlier from GHL plugin. Then you can set your preference from here. Now the account that you set up and you want to use the workflow actions on, you just need to switch to that account. So make sure that this account has been added to that custom menu link. Then now scroll down on the menu and search for the custom menu link you just added. My custom menu link is called my apps. So you go to the custom menu link you have added previously. So you click. When that opens, you go under available apps, you're going to see the different apps that you've installed but not connected. So I am going to check under here to see Liondesk because I have connected that already, but this step will help me to show you how to connect. So under available apps, you search for the app, the Liondesk app, then you click on the app. It's going to show you a pop-up and asking you for an access token. So how do you get the access token? You get the access token by going into your Liondesk developers portal. So you connect to this developers.liondesk.com. Then you need to log into your account. When you're logged in, you're going to see apps. Under the apps now, you see the various apps that you've created. So you can create a new app. It's pretty simple. Just put in the name and you can put in a random link like the redirect link. You can copy the same link and put in. So we can say this my app. I can call that my app and save, and that is saved. So now if I want to get the access token, I reveal my token, which is this one. I'm going to copy and come back here. Then I'll paste my token and submit. So with that, the connection is done and very simply. Now, how do you get this used? Because every setup, installation, and connection have been done already. So you need to go to automations, workflows, and you can use the actions in any workflow of your choice. You can set up whatsoever trigger. Maybe you want these actions being triggered when someone is moved to a pipeline stage, or maybe when someone fills a form, or maybe when someone receives a tag, you want to use these actions. So in order to access these actions, it's simple. You go to your normal routine action, then you can scroll down where you see the list of various apps that you've installed already. So you can see a list of so many apps that we've installed, and I'm going to look for Liondesk within this list. So going down, I'm searching for Liondesk. Or I can use, let me just use my search, Lion. So this is it, Liondesk service. Make sure to take Liondesk service. Then you can see we have these different actions: delete Liondesk tag, update a tag, add a tag, delete a contact, update a contact, and create a contact. So these are the various actions that we can carry out on Liondesk, passing through our workflow. So pretty easy and short setup. If you have any issue with using any of these actions or setting up this process, you can get to us and we can book a call to go over everything. Thank you.